Hello, I am Mohammad Aman H. Siddiqui. I will teach today coordinate geometry as my first topic. Now, in coordinate geometry, we'll start with a distance formula. Now, what is a distance formula? If we have a Cartesian plane, this is our y-axis and this is our x-axis. And if we want to calculate if this is a 2 point, if this is a 2 point A and B, and we have to calculate the distance between A and B in this Cartesian plane, then we have to use this distance formula. Now, what is this distance formula? Suppose the coordinate of point A is nothing but x1 comma y1. Coordinate of point B is nothing but x2 comma y2. I'm assuming it. Okay, let the coordinate of point A is x1 y1. Let the coordinate of point B is x2 y2. If I'm writing coordinate of point A as x1, y1, what does it mean? It means if this is the origin, so from the origin to this point, the distance is x1, and from this point to this point, the distance is y1, right? If I'm taking coordinate of point B as x2 comma y2, what does it actually mean? It means that from origin to this point, the distance is x2, and from this point to this point, the vertical height is y2. Height of this point is y2. Now, if I want to find the distance between AB, if I have to find the distance between AB, distance between AB. Now, how can I calculate the distance of AB? Now see, if this is y1, this complete is y2. So what is the length of this side? What is the length of this side? It is nothing but y2 minus y1. Correct? This is nothing but y2 minus y1. If this distance is x2 and this distance is x1, what is the distance between these 2 points? That is nothing but x2 minus x1, right? And if you see carefully, one right angle triangle is forming here. Let this, I am taking this vertex at point D. So you can see, yeah, we will take this vertex at point C. You can see ABC is a right angle triangle. And we have already known that in a right angle triangle, we can apply Pythagoras theorem. Now, if I have to calculate this AB and these two sides are given, I can easily apply Pythagoras theorem here so that we can calculate the distance between AB. Now, what is Pythagoras theorem? The Pythagoras theorem is hypotenuse ka square must be equal to perpend ka square plus base ka square that you have learned in your junior classes, right? Now, if this is 90 degree, this must be my hypotenuse, this must be my perpendicular, and this must be my base, right? So this is hypotenuse, this is perpendicular, and this is base. So hypotenuse square means AB ka square must be equal to perpendicular square means y2 minus y1 ka whole square plus base square means x2 minus x1 ka whole square. If I take square here, it will become square root, and it will become AB must be equal to square root of y2 minus y1 ka whole square plus x2 minus x1 ka whole square. Now this will become the distance formula. This is known as a distance formula. This is known as distance formula. Now, if you want to calculate the distance between any two points in a Cartesian plane, in a Cartesian plane, you take any 2 point anywhere you want. And if you want to calculate the distance between that 2 point, you can easily apply this formula, which is known as a distance formula. I am giving you one example to elaborate it. Now, here is the example. We have a 2 points. One point is 2,3 and another point is 4,1, and we have to calculate the distance between 2 points. Now, simply apply the distance formula. As we have already known that this is a Cartesian coordinate, right? this is nothing but x1 comma y1. We will take 2 comma 3 as our x1 comma y1, and we can take 4 comma 1 as our x2 comma y2. Now if we have to calculate the distance between these 2 points, we can apply distance formula. So by distance formula, by distance formula, we know that distance between any 2 point is nothing but s. We will represent the distance by the letter s. So s must be equal to under root of y2 minus y1 ka whole square plus x2 minus x1 ka whole square. Correct? Now s is equal to, as we already know the x1 y1 x2 y2 y1 y2, so just put it down. What is y2? It is nothing but 1. So 1 minus y1, what is y1 is 3. So 1 minus 3 ka whole square plus x2 minus x1. So that is 4 minus 2 ka whole square. 4 minus 2 ka whole square. So what is s? S is nothing but under root of 1 minus 3 is minus 2 ka square plus 4 minus 2 is 2 ka square. As you already know, the square minus ka square will become positive. So it will become 2 ka square, that is 4, plus 2 ka square will become 4. So s will coming out to be under root of 4 plus 4, that is 8. That is square root of 8. You can also write it as s is equal to 2 into 2 into 2, which is nothing but s is equal to 2 root 2. As the pair of 2 will come out of the root, so it will become 2 root 2, right? 2 root 2. So this must be the distance between the point A and B. Hope you will understand about the distance formula. From this formula, you can easily calculate the distance between any 2 points in a Cartesian plane. Thank you.